When the 11 o'clock goes into the 12 o'clock hour.
Let's see how she goes.
The almost 1 o'clock hour.
All right, here we go. All right, here's your rush hour forecast for tomorrow. Morning temperatures in the 60s, mostly cloudy, still humid. I mean, today's been humid. It's not been the gross oppressive humidity that we have dealt with, at least not all of us. Still plenty of humidity, especially south, but we'll have clouds with some sun peaks as we head through the evening. Temperatures once again tomorrow only going to top out in the 70s. Satellite and radar showing a very interesting picture. We have a frontal boundary that is draped across the state of Ohio. That has been kicking up showers and thunderstorms to the south of us through the evening. Those have since faded thanks to nighttime cooling. But then you can't help but see this little swirl that's going on across Arkansas. That's the remnants of what was Tropical Storm Gordon. And you end up getting a little pocket of tropical loveliness that moves right along with it. And that pocket is going to continue to move northward, where it's going to meet up with the frontal boundary that's sitting in Ohio. Now, this is very important because the frontal boundary just basically provides us path for that storm to move along. So as we go through the night tonight into tomorrow, you can see how things begin to change. The front continues to drop south. That little envelope, as we call it, of moisture continues to move to the northeast. And then by the time we hit Saturday at 1 p.m., we're still dry. A lot of that moisture is to the west, but things are really starting to come together and strengthen. And this storm system will become a much more efficient rain producer by Saturday night into Sunday, which is when I think we will end up seeing that moisture moving in. Now, Sunday morning, we'll start off with lighter rain. If we're looking at heavy rain potential, that would be later in the afternoon Sunday into Sunday evening. As you can see, these darker greens and the yellow coloring, that would indicate where we have high moisture content, high precipitation rates, and that's going to be a long duration event. As we go through Sunday night into Monday morning, the storm system comes up over us. The track will change, but how much it changes will have a huge impact on how much rain we end up getting. But the good news is by the end of the day on Monday, it's moving out and we don't have to worry about it. So now let's talk rainfall potential. We're looking at least 2 to 4 inches of rain across northern Ohio. Widespread. Depending on how this whole thing moves, if it speeds up, if it slows down, that will impact it. So we could have higher and lower amounts. So now's the time to get ready. Clean out the drains, the gutters, all that good stuff. Universal Windows Direct 7-day forecast. Clouds and sun mid-70s tomorrow. We're dry for most of Saturday. Then the rain gets here Sunday, continues into Monday, and then next week, Tuesday through Thursday, looks beautiful.